How can someone be so harsh to the voiceless animal? A brutal act has left the entire community shaken. Who could commit such cruelty and try to erase the evidence? In a disturbing incident from Colvale, a dog was allegedly brutally killed and its body burnt in an attempt to destroy evidence. Colvale Police have registered an offence and launched an investigation into the matter. According to a complaint filed by DSPCA North Goa, the incident occurred on April 18 at an open ground near the Camurlim Power Grid Road. The animal was reportedly attacked using a hard and blunt object, leading to severe internal injuries and eventually death due to multiple organ failure. What further shocked authorities is that the accused allegedly set the voiceless animal's body on fire to hide the crime. Police have termed this a serious act of animal cruelty. PSI Taraj Rane is leading the investigation and efforts are underway to identify and apprehend those responsible. Authorities are urging anyone with information to come forward as the probe continues. But the question remains that how can someone show such brutality towards a voiceless animal that depends entirely on human compassion? What do you have to say on this incident? Let us know in the comment section.